Hey, it's H here, and on today's video we're checking out silver. Now we did a silver count back some time ago already, and now we're going to do an update video on silver, checking out how it's doing and what might be the next steps for it. So let's jump into it. Now this is the correction part since around the August that we've been dealing with. Now we've just been ranging between the $29 to $21, depending on the chart you're trading. On RSI, let's go back to a bit higher time frame. This one here, not probably monthly. Here we go. So RSI, we don't see too much. Why is the volume so small? Okay, sure. We had this one marked as 1-2. We had a couple of different options, WXY and ABC on this last leg. It doesn't really matter how we get there, as long as we get there, right? Now, let's jump into daily. I don't know why this is not showing the volume now. That is annoying. So I was just checking the volume. Okay, here we go. I don't know what that is. Again, so we see that as the price is coming down, here we see that volume is still going down, even up to this point here, which is not, if we want to be bullish and seeing this as one wave, this low here is not invalidating it. It is just a bit higher than the star here, but it has come down so much that we need to think if this is a three-way move or five-way move. Volume supports that we've been coming down still up to this point here, where we've started to show some signs of higher volume, making this a possible move higher, with volume again supporting it. Now, I got a couple of different options for bullish and bearish attempts on going forward. So let's just get the first one out first. So this should be, this is another, oh yeah, this is the option where we extend this WXY of this Y all the way here with WXYXZ, bringing wave 2 here, and this would be supported with volume. This here though is trying to get some kind of impulsive wave structure, and it is a bit difficult. This is what I had labeled. We can force a diagonal here. It is definitely not pretty, but it's legal. Massive throwover on the first one, get a correction wave down, but this bit here is something that is throwing me off. Now, saying that this is wave 1 and pulling just a normal retracement fib down to this low shows that this par is above 1618, which means that it is more likely for this part to be impulsive. Now, is it? It looks three-wave-ish to me. Saying this is the correction for wave 2 of this minute count is definitely possible, but how are we going to fit 5 waves in this? This looks so much like a three-way structure. Now, here again, this part looks like a 5-way structure, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which indicates that it is impulsive, and impulsive moves, 5-way moves, are always a start or an end of something. Now, this is what brings it a bit difficult, because this move here is telling it could be part of this move here. It is 0.618, but is that really the case? Now X could be this. So we would bring X here. Now it doesn't come below this low, which is a bit weird. And this already didn't come below this low. So there is many ifs and buts on this count, unfortunately. Even if we leave the Z here and say that this is the first move of this, there is that issue mentioned where this B wave is way larger than the most likely scenario of being in this pocket, 1382 and 1236, and usually the invalidation of this is the 1.618. It is not a rule though, so as this didn't develop, at least it doesn't look like an impulse wave to me, it didn't develop into a impulse move. It is definitely possible to be a B wave still. This would allow us to have the 5-way move here, bringing us back to C. Now this would mean our wave 2 is here. Now, as you see, this is really complex, and something this complex is rarely the right count. However, it is possible, I guess, and definitely shouldn't be disregarded at all. Now, is this then the third wave here? The volume definitely supports it, right on the money. RSI indicates that this is a third of summon, as it is the highest point, so as in MACD. Now we could just say that 1, 2, 3, 4, sorry, probably not like that because this is overlapping. It probably would end here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. I didn't label this, but there's definitely ways to get 5 waves in here. Sorry I didn't prepare that for you, but looks like it could be possible. But this is again an idea. Let's check out the retracement. If this is the wave 2 and is part of this, we come down to 0.5 exactly on both log and arithmetic. Oh sorry, it doesn't even work like that. What am I doing here? We don't see that. So above, almost to the 0.5 with our fibs and 0.5 with the fibs. Now if we come lower than this, it might start looking like it is not wave 4, but for now this is definitely doable. ABC, some kind of 3-way move here, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 maybe into the first. So it is definitely possible. And now again, what we would be looking for is the 5-way move. This could be first leg, so 1, 2, but again this is already coming down, so this is most likely something else, a different degree than this one. So this would be 1, 2, it's like a 1 here, 2, 3, 4, 5, but with a lower degree, so subminuet, and so on. Again, is this over? It looks quite shallow for a wave 2. It hasn't even come down to the 0.5. So there could be definitely more downside before going up, if we want to think this strange looking structure is a bullish wave. Okay, I think I've babbled on long enough with that one. I had another one. This is again one of those that really doesn't look good. Again, this low here is not lower than this one, making this, I guess, a possibility if we can find a zigzags for all these. I'm not sure if I want to even keep this account. It is definitely so ugly, but just an idea. Now, those were the bullish ideas basically, and we still haven't got a bearish one. So a bearish one would be saying that our Y wave has not been done here. It is not finished. Now, how are we going to get a lower Y? Or maybe this again is not WXY, but is WXYXZ or Z. One or the other. We can definitely see this as 3 waves. Maybe this is 3 waves again. So this would be a bigger ABC leading up in here. Now, whether it's X wave of intermediary, you see the length of X here, or it is X here of this minor degree, comparing this correction here to this correction. They are both, I guess, debatable, but however this looks more likely. So at least to me. So it is something like this. Y here, and like so. Now this is again bringing a lot of difficulties, saying that we got WXYXZ on our Y wave, which is definitely some weird thing. So almost I would like to believe that this would be X of minor scale, bringing the Z down here, and this should bring us downwards more, and most likely breaking this low here. But again, an idea, and currently I'm not investing in silver, although in long term it looks super bullish. I just don't want to catch a falling knife here. I'm not sure what this is. It doesn't present too many clear options for me, and there's always something else to invest into and get those longer term trades or setups on other assets. Now, if you want to actually invest and not trade silver, I feel like it's still okay. Of course, since the March 2020 lows, we've already come up quite a bit, 120%, but as this is the primary 2 of the third super cycle, of the first of the cycle, then the third of primary here, it is going to be big. Now, I think that's all the ideas I wanted to present to you right now. So I thank you for watching, and if you have a coin or an asset you would like me to create an Elliott Wave for, let me know down in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.